Ari, where do we live? Can you show me on the map?
Hi-ho.
Where's Hi-Ho?
It's yellow. It's yellow.
That's right, that's Ohio.
The left, the what? But that's left, the little wee one.
Who lives there? Who lives in New Jersey?
Who lives at Dodie?
Gomo lives in New Jersey.
And go move one anyway.
Yeah. Where do Grandma and Grandpa live? Where do Grandma and Grandpa live?
They're yellow.
Missouri.
Yeah, Dodie.
And where does Amy live? Can you show me on the map?
The cousin.
Wisconsin, yeah.
The Dewey.
With Uncle Bowie, yeah. And where does Nonnie and Poppy live? Where do Nonnie and Poppy live?
Betty, the brown.
Indiana.
Yeah, Indiana.
And where does Uncle Sung and Aunt Chin and Ian live? Oh, no, that's where Gomo and Gomo Boo live in New Jersey. Uncle Sung lives in Illinois. Where's Illinois? Where is it? Do you remember? It's red.
Yeah, what?
Which red one is Uncle Sung? Do you remember?
Nothing.
It's right here. That's where Uncle Sung lives. Now, where did we go on our trip when we flew in an airplane?
The green.
Yeah, we went up to Michigan, and then we'll show everyone how you flew.
We go.
Yeah, we went to California, you're right. And then we flew back to Michigan?
And I flew back to Ohio.
To Ohio, yeah.
It's yellow.
It's yellow, yeah. And, yeah.
Where do you live?
Where do we live?
The Ohio.
Ohio.
Me live Ohio.
Yeah, you live in Ohio.
Yeah.
This is, what is this?
I live up here
Mm-hmm.
and take it through.
And we flew to California, yeah.
And I flew up. I flew.
Yeah, you flew there last year.
I flew back the green one.
To Michigan, yeah.
I go higher.
And then back to Ohio where you live, that's right.
Oh. Kelly.
Good job, Ari. Whoa!
This is Ohio. I live.
You live in Ohio, yeah.
I live Ohio. I live up the mountain.
Michigan, yeah.
Yeah. I flew back.
To California, yeah.
I flew back.
Yeah, uh-oh. Yeah.
We brought my meal.
Okay, that's all we got. We're almost out of space on our video camera. Like, space. That's never happened before.
No, that's my map. That's my map. Oh, stand up.